And here's the latest update. It's 2:15. Storm should be here in about 10 minutes. As you can hear, the sirens are really wailing now here in Wylie. Can't miss that. I think the storm is actually going to go a little west of us, but yeah, the sirens are screaming. You see the sky looks pretty rough in some spots, but this is looking north. Yeah, there's sirens going off everywhere. There's sirens going off where I didn't even know we had sirens. So we have a few minutes before the storm's predicted to be this way. But my next door neighbor is a security guard, so I feel safer now. The sirens have stopped.